Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Lobos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Jurllyshe hair. Shout out to you, Jurllyshe, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This is a 4x4 closure unit. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a straight 8-inch bob and 150% density. Now if you're interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go there, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So this unit was sent to me by Jurllyshe or Jurllyshe. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, but shout out to you, boo, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their 4x4 lace closure bob. I do have this unit in 8 inches and is 150% density. And as I stated, it is a 4x4 lace closure. So I am going on the site. Okay, so on the site it says Jurllyshe lace closure bob wig with baby hair, blunt cut, short, straight human hair, 150% density. I do have this unit in 8 inches, but it is also available in 10. It looks like the 12 is out of stock, but you know what, that's cool. Okay, we ain't gonna even worry about it, see. That is cool. The color is natural black, and so it says wig texture is bob wig. The texture is obviously a straight texture. It says feature pre-plucked natural hairline, can be dyed, bleached, or permed. The color is natural black. The length they got as picture, but as I say, you can get it in 8 inches, 10 inches, and the 12 inches is out of stock now, but maybe it'll be in stock later. It says machine made and hand tied. The cap size is average, which means it is 22 to 22.5 inches. The lace material is Swiss lace. The cap construction is 4x4, as I stated. And the quality is, our wigs are made of 100% high quality virgin hair. The cuticles are aligned and nutritious. Child, I don't know what that means. And it says no tangles, minimal shedding, can be bleached, can be dyed, and redesigned. So that is all the information that they have on the site about this unit. And I keep looking at old girl baby hairs, and I'm just like loving the excessive baby hair, and it keeps making me look at mine like, should I have added more? Like, should I have put more baby hairs? And I'm like, no, okay, I'm good. But anyways, as I say, this wig is a straight wig. Now, it did come with this little thing, okay? And I decided to use it because I assumed that it was something that you could put like underneath the wig. Now, child, I don't know if I did that right, but that's what I did with it. I don't know if that's where it was supposed to go, but that's what your girl did, okay? And basically, to give myself like that faux scalp thing, just to kind of show you guys an alternative. Now, like I said, I don't know if that's what they sent it for, because they ain't say nothing back there. I just saw it in there, and I was like, well, child, honey, I think I seen somebody do a little something like this, so let me see if it works. And honestly, it did get rid of the knots in this area. I did go ahead and apply some Sephora Micro Smooth, but it really wasn't needed. So I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but girl, I did it, and it looked like it did something. So do with that what you want to, okay? As far as shedding and tangling with this wig, like obviously it's a super short, straight bob. Like there's no shedding, there's no tangle. Like you literally can just run your fingers through this unit with no issues whatsoever. And as far as the hairline, I do feel like the hairline needed tweezing. I did tweeze it some. I didn't tweeze it a whole lot. Like I feel like it could actually stand to be tweezed a little bit more, and at some point I probably will. But that is the tweezing that I did so far, which, like I said, it wasn't really a lot, and I feel like it looks decent. Like it's still a little dense, but it's not like crazy dense. So I ain't mad at it. As far as the cap size, do I feel like the cap size is big head friendly? I do feel like the cap size is more so on the small to medium head friendly. Like it literally says what the circumference is, and I think it said 22 to 22.5. So I would just honestly be very mindful of that. Like it says what it says, girl. So if you know what size cap you wear, then you know whether or not it's gonna fit you, honey. Like let's just keep it a whole buck. We're not gonna live in anybody's denial. You know what's gonna fit you, stud. So yeah, just keep that in mind when it comes to this unit. And yeah, I feel like that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And as I stated, it's a 4x4 closure. So like this is it right here. This is all that you get right in this general area right here. You're gonna get tracks. So you can still part this wig if you don't want to wear it in the middle part like I'm wearing it. You can wear it to the left side, the right side. You just can't go all the way over here with it, girl. Okay, so just keep that in mind when it comes to this unit, that it is a closure, a 4x4 closure wig. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you are interested in what all I did to this unit, as well as my thoughts on it, and a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, y'all, I am really feeling this bob. You guys know that I love a bob that is like 8 to 10 inches, preferably or preferably or whatever, child, tomato 8 inches, because I do have a very short neck. Now if you have a more elongated neck, I can understand you want a longer bob, but when you have a short neck like mine, like this feels more bobbish, okay, because my neck is so short that if it's longer, it's not gonna look like a bob. It's gonna look more like an everyday wig. So I do love the length of this unit. I am really glad that they sent me 8 inches, because that is just like my preference when it comes to bobs. Like I just feel like it gives me that bob style, like that I want, like honey, that I'm asking for. So I really love the length, and I just feel like overall it's a really good everyday bob, especially because it's a closure wig. If you've been watching me, then you know your girl love a good closure, honey. You can't beat a closure with a stick, girl, okay? I love a good closure because it's just so easy and such an effortless slay. So I really do love that about this wig. I also love that if I wanted to, I can part it on the right or left side if I want to, and not wear it in the middle. I just think it is a really great everyday type of unit. Like it's a great everyday bob. It can be great work hair, whatever. I really like this unit, and I feel like it didn't take as much as sometimes when I get a longer unit, I have to cut it some and just try to finesse it a little more. But with this unit, I didn't have to do all that. I feel like it came really nice. The hair is not like super silky. It may look silky, but it's not super silky. And I also love that about this unit. Sometimes when you're getting straight hair, it can be really silky, but this unit is not. And I just really like it. I think it's a look. I think it's a vibe. I think it's a bop, honey. So shout out to you. Now, as far as products that I use, I did use my Cream of Nature Argan Mousse. I did use my wax stick, and I did use my edge control, my Eben or whatever it is, edge control, and my Sephora Micro Smooth. And that was basically it. Oh, and I did use my Demert wig and weave spray. And that was it. I used that Demert when I flat ironed this unit because it's a straight wig and it can't sort of bump. Child, ain't nobody trying to have no bumps over here right now. Okay, she just not. So yeah, I did use that when I flat ironed the unit, and that was it. But I do think she's a look. I do think she's a vibe. I love that she's a closure. I am feeling this wig, honey. So shout out to you, Jurllyshe. I really do appreciate it, girl. So anyways, and I also appreciate your patience because, honey, they sent me this a while back and I'm just getting to it. So shout out to you for your patience as well. So yeah, y'all, that is basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, once again, I am feeling this unit. Let me know down below what you guys think about it. Like, do you have a cute bob or your favorite bob? Let me know down below in the comments if you have one. You know, let me know about it, honey. Help us help each other, honey. We are here to help each other. And once again, shout out to you, Jurllyshe, for sending me this unit. If you are interested, I will have a direct link down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, honey, we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.